Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamarapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, Agamarapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, Biafra gade.
Ojukwu finally took his people out of Nigeria. Biafra was proclaimed.
My brothers and sisters, Nana begin a day, the voice of Biafra, I don't come again today. How on a day, we dey thank everybody where they encourage us, everybody where call us, Chima from Italy, Uchenna from Germany, Ugonna from Nigeria, Chinyere from Biafra land, everybody where they call us from every part of the world, where they encourage us. We dey thank una. We even dey thank the people where they insult us because we know say later una go come to una senses. The only thing wey we dey talk say make una comot monkey hand from soup because no be say they train us. Our ancestors na debate dem dey do. Our ancestors be philosophers. They be warriors also. So we dey tell una say no be so they train us. Now we be Biafran people. People where they unique, people where they different. So we dey thank everybody. Today's topic na BBC Igbo. Na disaster or na opportunity. But before we dey go, we want talk about wetin happen for Ikeduru. Mbitolu, I hear say they go kill people for local government area because of politics. It's no good. Our people no go allow politicians they use una. They come they kill una own brothers, una own sisters. Because if una they use una finish, tomorrow they go send police go kill una. Not be waiting happen for Rivers State. Una don't forget this young man where they just give away from homework where they kill. No, politicians don't use and finish. Can't use military kill them. Una don't forget those can go for Abia State. As they use and finish, that's what they kill them. Una now where then they use the key because una know their secret tomorrow. Then go sell army or police make them kill una. We know what made them they use una, they destroy our land. Our land in a holy place, una where people know they kill people. Na peaceful place be that. We do beg una make una stop this nyama things una they do for our land. So we go see talk about this BBC Igbo. Because we don't see what thing they happen for Facebook. People they shout, say they no want BBC Igbo. BBC Igbo make them go, make them come out, say na bad people. True, BBC na the face of white supremacy, na face of racism, na face of colonialism, na face of neocolonialism. That one na true. Nobody go down. Na true. BBC follow deal with us for 1967. Where even then they kill our people, then they hide them, they no one make the world know. They do us bad thing. But one thing we go to ask ourselves today, these BBC where they come to Igbo land, where the BBC Igbo, we go fit stop them. If we know we fit stop them, why we no go see them as opportunity? E get waiting one woman why they like Mayor Angelo talk. He talk say anything where you fit change them. But anyone where you know fit change, make you change your attitude towards that thing. Now BBC they come, BBC Igbo. Waiting I want make my people understand be say your enemy 1967 fit no be your enemy for 2018. Now you go make am work. If you understand politics, international politics, freedom fighting, there is no permanent enemy, no permanent friend. The only thing that is permanent is interest. As BBC they come today, waiting I won't make pro Biafran do, make them tap their brothers and sisters who study Igbo. We be die-hard Biafrans, make them go apply. Now so people will get sense they do. You will not go to isolate ourselves. They say, oh, this one na bad people, they don't come again. No. Your enemy, if you make a your friend. Every animal gets waiting then they chop. Every human being gets waiting then they chop. If Nama they hungry, he go kill goat to give Nama. Nama no go chop am because no be his food. Na grass when they chop, give am grass, he go chop. If elephant they hungry, he go they give am full goat make he chop. He no go chop am, no be his food. If tiger they hungry, he go carry yam, 2 bags of yam give tiger, he no go chop am. Because na meat they chop. BBs get their food. British government get their food. For 2018, this century, this time around, we go change our strategy. Begin to make friends. For what? This world where we did. You hear everything that happened for Syria. Syria and British government are 2 good friends before. Today they be enemies. Syria and Russia are deadly enemies before. Today they be friends. Saudi Arabia and Israel are big enemies where they kill each other before. Today they be friends. If you see the whole world as they go, as the world they go around, now so everything they go around. Those people where you see say they be your enemy, come up with strategy where you go use win them. You know they even ask question, how come we get all the mineral resources in our land, gas, crude oil, everything, yet we no fit use them, negotiate for our own freedom? Because anything will happen, yeah, they are coming to kill us, they are coming, keep them within the chop. Now some people where get sense they do. Give them within the chop. For this British Parliament, we get up to 4 Igbo people where they that place. We say British people, they are bad. Ever don't go close to them. Don't go close to them. You get one group where they then go write all the grammar. Then go write. You go see Professor this go write, Doctor this go write, this. Everybody blame. Wetin happen 1960, wetin happen 1967, wetin happen this time, wetin happen that time. Make we begin look this BBC Igbo self. You know say Britain and Russia no be good friends. But Russian TV they Britain here. For Canary what they there they broadcast. BBC they Russia. They there they broadcast. Waiting there for this word be say you get to up your game. This British media, when they did Nigeria in the colonial era, Nnamdi Azikiwe Western pilots deal with them. Even if Awolowo book, Awolowo say Nnamdi Azikiwe gather squad, intelligent people, they write. So the British government get to send 2 more editors from London, make them come Lagos, come fight Zik. Zik messed them up. Finish them. All of them wrong. Now brain work where they use. No be complain. People where they complain na midget. Na mediocre them. Waiting we be giants. Make you go read your history, know who you be. This thing the way people they do for Facebook, wanna even do advert for BBC. Now advert when they do. BBC Igbo is coming. Nobody go stop them. Make we tap into them. Because when they start their program, now we go they call. Now we be the Igbo people we go call. Now we be the Igbo people we go still they work there. And our sisters and brothers. Because again I go talk to people. They go think say, oh, these people now very bad people. They know you know fit be their friends. Now lie. Be busy. Now I send for the foresight to Biafra. What you know you could do? Our lead Ojukwu look foresight. And foresight, now right-wing journalists. Now why BBC send them? For BBC, they get left-wing journalists. They get right-wing journalists. Right-wing journalists, they're very conservative. Now why BBC sent a foresight to Nigeria? But Ojukwu use his own brain. He no isolate himself. He no say no, this one na enemy. Ojukwu call him. Before they know, foresight will be right-wing journalists. don't become friend of Biafra. Before they know, Frederick Forsyth don't write article where indict BBC. Before they know, many BBC journalists, will be left-wing journalists, don't begin they carry secret they give to other journalists made them they publish. Now from there where this PR people will Biafra been hired. Well, no free remember their name now. Now some of the BBC journalists carry secret document they give them where then even they fear. Before Nigeria they buy arms here, buy finish. Biafran newspapers don't get them. Now through BBC journalists where those things happen. So as we there now, we go begin to look at the BBC. Where are those left-wing journalists where they BBC? Make we use them. You know how much where our people go still get for that BBC? I know many Igbo writers, where the content producers, where no fit eat. They know they make money from the content where they generate. Now them go sell content to BBC. Now they go sell programs to BBC. BBC Igbo, no be white people go work there. No be Hausa go work there. No be Yoruba go work there. Now Igbo go work there. So make we begin to see BBC as an opportunity. Make we not come to see them say they be enemy, they be enemy, they be even your enemy. In fact, in freedom fighting, the people who are supposed they look for now your enemies so they go talk to them. Not your friends. You talk to your enemies and convert them to your friends. How we get everything for our land? Why are we running away? We are giants. We dey complain. These people are coming. These people are coming. They even begin to accuse people. Oh, now APC they bring BBC to our land. Oh, now this governor they bring them. In fact, Mohanese they bring BBC Igbo. You know, say Igbo language follow for some of the languages where don't they die. You know. Some of our children know they speak. My friend say he go school for Oka. See say over 40% of students where they the pupils where they there no fit speak Igbo. For Oka, I know they talk of waiting they happen for Port Harcourt. I don't see many of my friends where come London where I carry my daughter go there make them begin to speak Igbo. Before I know if I find out say themselves know they fit speak Igbo. BBC they bring program. You know how that thing go cover other places in the world where even Igbo children will live other places go through BBC begin to learn Igbo. Make we look at their advantages. Make we look at their opportunities. Yes, BBC do us wrong. They do a lot of people wrong. We don't turn them into friends today. This BBC, they get time where them and Israel know they go the same way. But today, now them say Israel they lobby to they push out information. Why we no feel come back and come check things? Come begin to send delegates. These people where they come, let's send people to them. These people where they come, let's send our people, make them go apply for job there. We even see BBC as a big challenge to all the pro-Biafran media houses. So that we go begin retrain our people, even send them into crash courses in journalism. You get some other programs, schools for London here, Australia, where they do a 6-month diploma for journalism. We send our men, our women, make them go learn well, so that when BBC do program finish, we go scrutinize them, begin expose the propaganda. We go any propaganda where they come up. We look for Britain, BBC won't mess Jeremy Corbyn up. But Jeremy Corbyn and his own group, where they call Momentum. Momentum, they behave like Biafran activists, their head, they hold, they. Momentum turn BBC propaganda upside down. So any propaganda where BBC come out, then they counter them. No be waiting happen for America. Where CNN everything, then they push all propaganda out against Trump. The propaganda turn upside down. So any propaganda where BBC they bring, now we go analyze and send them out before they know the propaganda go work in our own favor. Because I know one situation where you go to push this narrative, can't be like saying a bandwagon effect. Everybody, hey, BBC, can't be. We need a distraction. This thing a distraction. Today, now you just they say that this group we go face today. Everything where they do for social media, you know, if you stop BBC from coming. So make we begin change our attitude. towards these people where we they see as enemies. Even the British people where we they talk about, now them donate more money, more than any other country, to us during the war. So we supposed to separate the British people from the British government. They not be the same. Because I see some Biafran activists, they burn British flag the other day. I was very upset. Not be that method. The strategy get to change. We get to change strategy. We get to drop certain things. Prejudice. That prejudice. You get waiting somebody talk about prejudice. See, they blind you. He go blind you. So you don't go see any good thing. You don't go know how to take opportunity. So now why we just say make we do this short distance about, because now waiting the trend. So that we go talk to our people, make them know say in that as BBC they come, BBC EU. Don't forget say you BBC Yoruba own they come too. But Yoruba no will spend time days that attack say then they come. No. Make we wait for them, make they come. Now people go work them. Make we wait for them. In fact, make we prepare very well for them. Make them come. Make them know say that people dey this land. Make them even make our own studio better, train our people better. So that things no go there. Because you get how you go talk to people. Before they know, people fit go see some of our brothers or sisters we can't get job there. Go begin fight them. Say they be saboteurs. And we no one make such thing happen for our land. Now why we say make we come up with this short program, make we talk to our people. So that they go understand. Say, no be like that we dey do am. As these people they come, make we embrace them. As we know fit stop them, make we embrace them. So that Igbo program, we go they call them. If they set up somewhere, imagine all the Biafran activists say, they see one program where BBC want to do, interactive program. And they understand say that thing, not to attack Biafran activism. Every Biafran say today, that program will go call. You get what they call opinion poll after every program for BBC. As they start that program, our activists, everybody all over the world begin to come. And they come to one side, say 90% of people support that pro-Biafran view. You go stay there for their website. Say opinion pool day high, say these people want Biafran. So make we see them as an opportunity. We can even convert them to our best friends. Give them what in them they chop. You know what in East Timor? You know how East Timor gets their own independence? East Timor. East Timor gets oil block where they get. That oil block, they are almost 200 kilometers away from Australia. East Timor call Australia. Say, come. This oil block, come make we share on 50-50. Australian government say, I agree. They sign paper. Australian government, now they use guns, they fight on the side of East Timor. Call BBC, before they know, propaganda don't change. BBC don't begin to support East Timor. Before they know, East Timor don't get independence. As East Timor get independence finish, 3 years later they carry Australia go court, say that agreement say they sign on under duress. You see how people wey get sense they behave? Now these people say, okay, make when I withdraw the case, make we reduce them from 50 to 30. That is how it is done. Make we know the day distracted, because I they see some things where they happen for social media as a waste of time, as distraction, especially for younger ones where they 18, 16, 17, 20, in their early 20s. Make we teach them how to articulate their views intellectually, so that it will help them as they grow. It will help them in every aspect of life. So even the BBC way they talk, no be them just interview Mazen Nande's wife. No be them. To tell the world, say, this man is still missing. Same army go there. From the day when army go there, the man is still missing. So my brothers and sisters, as BBC Igbo they come, wait till you even go even ask yourself, how many pro-Biafran group get Igbo programs? How many of them? I'm not sure any of them get. So as BBC they bring their Igbo program, we self supposed to the plan say make we counter them with Igbo program too. You understand? Not be say with it. Me as I need to see them as enemies. The only thing we supposed to do, make we begin to train our people, make them understand how propaganda they work, make them understand how mass brainwashing they work. It will be part of our broadcast, part of our education system. We not be small people. We are universal people. We are special. In fact, if you read our history, you go realize say we are gift to the entire world. We are gift. Igbo, no language. If you go Russia, Ukraine, or everywhere, Japan, Papua New Guinea, they speak all the languages. Every language you come, Igbo people they speak them. So BBC they bring their own. It is good. It is good. Make them bring their own because we know they think like people where they inside boss. We are universal people. Gift where nature give the whole world. Say Igbo, go to the whole world, multiply, develop. Tell me where it go. Tell me any ethnic group in this world where don't produce 3 vice presidents of World Bank. Anyone? How many ethnic groups will produce how many MPs will they this house? British Parliament. So we get to change some of this attitude because the attitudes where we did me, I want China TV Igbo come, Russia TV Igbo come, CNN Igbo come, all of them come. If the thing even promote our culture, make we even use them to promote our culture. If them do any program where they denigrate our culture, we attack them. In fact, we even carry them go court. You understand? Because they go respect international law, not because for Nigeria. We say, look, this program you are misrepresenting us. Everything what you think say BBC they do, Nigerian media don't do more than that. Not be Nigerian media they misrepresent us. Not be them they talk say army go shoot Biafran activists. Nigerian media call and clash. So if you want BBC to come, then close all the media. Even the media where they for our land, for Port Harcourt, for Aba, many of them na pro Europe. You know. Now Western countries even they give some of them small money where they misrepresent facts. Even Nollywood where they for heart, you know the part thing where they don't do for yes they get good part. But how they don't misrepresent our culture, you go just they watch film, you go see people, they cut people head, they do money ritual, all those things. That one even don't watch waiting BBC they do. So make we, as babies they come, make we embrace them, make we see them say, yes, they don't come. But we know say they get their own propaganda, but make we strategize, send our people in, make them be part of even BBs. We can convert our worst enemies into our best friends. Now here we go stop for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra. Ebeka unusi Biafra. Gamarapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Gamarapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Biafra.